welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Anushka. Now, I've been dying to do this video. I've had it on my mind for the longest time and I finally got around to doing it, and I'm basically going to be trying a bunch of local businesses that do cakes and treats, cupcakes, cake pops, cookies, brownies. So I've ordered from a bunch of businesses and we're going to try them on camera, and of course I want to support them, so I'll tag them and include their accounts in the info box if you guys want to check them out. But I'm just going to try them and give you my thoughts on how they taste and what I think of them, and like the service, the price and the presentation of everything. I'm just gonna say straight off the bat that all of the accounts that I've ordered from were all lovely, and I've just been really pleased with everything and really amazed at how everything looks. So we just have to see how this tastes. Before we jump into the video, I'm going to do my post notification shout out. Today's one's going to go to Amna Bang, so thank you so much for leaving such a sweet comment. And if you guys want to get one next time, all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell button and then let me know when you've done so, or you can just leave a nice comment. My hair has been really bugging me, like I just don't like having it out. I don't want to put heat on it. I'm trying to give it a proper detox. And I'm not gonna lie, I want to go back to like jet black, but I'm just waiting till things settle down because, as you guys know, my mum's vulnerable and I don't want to take any risks at the moment. So ignore the hair, guys. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's not the greatest either. I'm gonna start off with the milk cake, which looks so stunning. Look at that beauty. This is so nicely presented. You've even got some squirty little bottles that you can squirt into the milk cake. Now, she did say that the milk cake is already submerged in milk, so I'm so excited to try it, and it'll be nice to compare it to the one I did and see how, you know, it differs. So I paid for a small vanilla tres leches cake for £12.50 plus £3.50 delivery, and she actually drove all the way to my house and delivered it. She was the sweetest ever, and I actually met her. She looked so familiar, and I'm like, I know you from somewhere. And we actually bumped into each other at Bank Station. We took a picture together. She was the sweetest person ever. So yeah, I consider this cake to be actually quite affordable. It's not bad. Presentation is like a 10 out of 10. It's insane. It came with a really nice box with a bow, and if you're like going to an event or a party or something, this will be like a nice peace offering that you can bring to the event. It just looks so beautiful. So all I'm left with is to just try this. The cake's already cut up in pieces, which makes it way more convenient. I'm actually going to squirt the milk in one of the pieces. I'm going to take one and ooh, will it work? Oh, it's going right in, guys. That's so cool. Let's take it out. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, yeah, my family have been very annoying, okay? Every day, when can we eat this? When can we eat everything? And obviously I've got so much stuff, it's literally, it looks like I'm gonna have like some sort of event or something, but they're just waiting to eat everything. Okay, that's just a little close-up of the cake. I love the rose decoration on top and the piping. It just looks amazing. Oh my god, that is so nice. I think you're just gonna see me react like this for the whole video. That is so nice. I could eat this whole thing right now, but I need some space for the rest of the tasting. I feel like the chefs in MasterChef or something. I'm not a real chef, I'm not a professional baker either. If anything, these accounts can bake way better than I can, but I just have to make sure I don't eat the whole thing because I need space to taste everything else. But this is wow. I think it's better than mine. Guys, 10 out of 10. Like the service, the delivery, the price, the taste, the decoration, the little pipette things, 10 out of 10. Like, definitely recommend it. I'm literally like, I just want to eat that whole thing, but I'm just gonna hold myself, restrain myself. Yes, don't do it, don't look at it, get it out of my sight. So the next thing we have are some cake pops. Now, I love cake pops. It's like one of my most favorite things, and I don't really eat them often. I've never tried making them myself. Maybe I should do that for a next video. But these are from Just Pop by Poonam, and just to do a little close up. Now, everything is individually wrapped. You've got some cones and just beautifully rose decorated cake pops, and these are huge. I was so surprised when I saw the sizing. And yeah, like these look so good. And she actually popped in an extra one for me. Looks so nice. I love the little blow, like the presentation on point. Now I actually went to go pick these up myself, and Poonam was the sweetest soul ever. Very welcoming, very sweet, and obviously she is amazing at this. I can't wait to taste these. She was also very kind enough to get these done for me in such a quick time frame, because I only contacted all these accounts like 2 days ago. So in terms of like the speed of getting it done has been really good for all these accounts. So her account is Just Pop by Poonam, and I bought these for £20 for 4. They are very big ones. I was very surprised by how big they are. I'm going to try one of the cake pops and one of the snow cones. I think there are different flavors in here. I don't even want to open it. Look at that cake pop. It's like legit the size of my cheek. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try these. Let me try the rose. Can I try it? Wow, it's actually really well on there as well. Oh no, it's legit chocolate. She told me it's all chocolate. And you can get these posted, by the way. You don't have to pick them up or get it delivered. I think delivery can vary, I guess, but let's try this. This is what it looks like inside. I'm not gonna lie, that's really yummy. The cake batter is really good. The chocolatiness, I really like the white chocolatiness taste to it. I'm really happy with that, but I'm just trying to refrain myself from eating all of it, because obviously, like I said, I've got so much to taste. So we're gonna try the cone. Oh my god, the cone looks so cute. How cute is that for like a little baby shower or something? I don't know, I just see it on the, I don't know, it's just so presentable, guys. Okay, love the taste of this one. I think this is red velvet or chocolate. Definitely some sort of chocolate thing, but this is so yummy. I want to eat the whole thing right now. I'm gonna have a cheeky second bite. This is like the best video idea of life. It's actually not overly sweet. It's just right. My little snow cone, and I love how it's all staying together. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Wow. I need to keep some for the others, but yeah, that is really yummy. And I'm glad I got to taste a chocolate cake pop, because I think out of all cake pops, chocolate ones are like my most favorite. The milk cake is staring me from afar. I would definitely rate her cake pops a 10 out of 10. You can get these posted. The price is actually quite reasonable, and the presentation is like legit 11 out of 10, and it holds together. It tastes really nice. It's very like a white chocolatey taste on top with the icing, and it's not too overly sweet. Like they're just right. I could eat all of them. Okay, so now we have some treats from Diva's Delights. She was very kind to send these over. I actually got a box of 6 strawberries. She actually gifted everything for me and included some cakesicles as well, because I had originally only asked for the strawberries, which was really nice of her. I don't know her prices. Does she have prices? I don't know her prices, unfortunately, but you can always DM her if you're interested. Now, I just want to mention before I show you guys, the strawberries I actually kept out. I didn't put them in the fridge. So like the chocolate and everything and the juices of the strawberries kind of came out and cracked the chocolate a bit. But I'm going to insert a photo of how the strawberries actually looked when I got them yesterday. And they were just so gorgeous. I was so shocked at how lovely everything looked. But it's my fault that I left the strawberries out. But if you look at her strawberries on her page, they look absolutely stunning, and they look like that just in real life as well. These are her strawberries that I got. I'm gonna taste one today. And these are the cute little cakesicles that I got as well. Okay, so I'm first gonna start with a strawberry. I mean, you can't go wrong with a chocolate covered strawberry. My mum was gonna love these. I mean, even right now, they don't even look that bad. It's just that the juice came out a bit, but that's so good. Like, I would just say, like, if you get these, definitely put them straight in the fridge. And these are one of her cakesicles. They're kind of like a cake pop, but in the form of a ice lolly. Oh, it's so chewy. That's really nice. So she said that she's launching the cakesicles very soon, so do check her account out, guys. It's really yummy. That is so yum. Wow. So happy with these. Decoration on point. I'm not sure about the prices, but again, you can always ask her. She came to deliver them. It came in a really cute box, very well presented, and they taste yum. So that is a 10 out of 10. There's nothing that I can point out that I just don't like. Like, it's so yummy and so pretty. Again, it will make the nicest gift for someone, or even just if you want to treat yourself. But now, like, when I'm going to stuff, I'm so happy like I've gone into this, because I've never ordered from Instagram accounts, and I know it's now becoming a thing, but I'm so happy that when I'm gonna go to like events or like for people's birthdays and stuff, I can just order these and bring them to them. So the next thing we have are some brownies and also some cakesicles. These are from Brownies and Blondies, and again, the packaging here is really lovely. Everything's individually wrapped, and this was posted to me. So I paid £17.70 for this, which was £13 for 3 brownies and 3 brownsicles, and plus £4.70 first class. Delivery literally came the next day, literally. So yeah, again, I wouldn't consider that bad at all in terms of price. Looks really good, so that ticks the box. So yeah, I did Nutella brownsicles and 3 Snickers brownies. I'm so fun. I love how like you have the stickers on it, and you also have the list of ingredients on the back too. It's very, very professional. So that's one of the cakesicles. I'm gonna have to do a 2-hour workout after this. That tastes insane. Wow. Wow. I want to eat it, but I can't. I'm actually so shook at how I like that cakesicle. Like that, you can definitely taste the Nutella in it. Okay, so now we're gonna go for brownies. They're definitely more on the richer side to what I usually eat, but I'm not mad at it. These would be better if they're in the fridge. Like, I feel like it'll be more chewier. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I don't know how interesting you'll find this video, me tasting food, but it's all about the businesses, yeah? You can tell just by looking at all of this, the time and effort and hard work that goes into these, because everything just looks lovely. The cakesicle by far, like in terms of the taste, is my favorite by far at the moment. And the brownies are really good. They're more on the rich side, but they're good. They're really yummy, but it's just that I prefer a bit more milk chocolatey brownies, and I know not everyone does that. But yeah, but nevertheless, they're really good brownies. Like, am I gonna eat them? Of course. What did you think? I'm gonna eat them. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for that. Really happy with everything, the price, delivery, packaging, taste. Got nothing to say. Next we have cupcakes by Baked by Jeeves. These were £12 for 6 cupcakes. She actually delivered these to me from really far, so I really, really appreciate that. She was the sweetest ever, so thank you for dropping these. I really do appreciate it, and honestly, these cupcakes look bomb. These are her Oreo cupcakes, and I did get 6, but I could only fit 4 on my plate. And honestly, £12 for 6, that's not bad at all. Would totally order a bunch for like an event or something. It's taste test time. I'm gonna take the Oreo off. Wow, look at the perfection of that bite. Look at the layers. Wow. Again, it's not overly sweet. The balance between the cake and the buttercream, so yummy, and a bit of a crunch on the biscuit. That is so, so good. Like, I'm really happy with that. Yeah, so definitely 10 out of 10 for these guys. It tastes really yummy. I know my family's gonna love this as well. My tummy's slightly getting a bit full. Next we have some cookies. This is how they were delivered. They look so, so cute. Like, wouldn't that be such a nice, cute gift, like, honestly? So these are from the Cloud Cookies. Now, she does recommend to microwave them for 10 seconds for them to be the best, and you can eat them with ice cream. I'm not going to do that today, I'm just going to try them. But these were $7.99, and she was local, so she delivered it for me, which I really do appreciate. And yeah, $7.99 is not bad at all. So I actually paid by somewhere like bank transfer, somewhere by PayPal. Everything went so smoothly. I literally ordered these all on Thursday, and it's Saturday today. That cookie, yeah, box of white chocolate cookies, and I got 6 in there. Again, the price is not bad at all, so let's try this. Wow, these are like the best chewy cookies I've tasted. Oh my god, these are so good. They're chewy. I love a good chewy cookie. Oh my god, there's white chocolate inside. There's literally white chocolate inside. So my thoughts on that one is definitely 10 out of 10. There's nothing here that I was like, like I could eat everything I have in front of me right now. So I love the packaging, the service was really good, the price was really good. She came to deliver them and they taste yummy, they look yummy, and it will make such a lovely gift. So yeah, definitely recommend those. So we're moving on to our final one, which is by Tempting Bakes London, which she gave me some donut pops, which is a new addition to her page, and then also a bunch of cake pops. So the cake pops came to £9 plus £3.70 postage, so £12.70 in total. I think they're just simple like vanilla cake pops, and she gave me the donut pops on the house. So I do appreciate that, thank you so much. The box comes with 6 cake pops, so that's not bad at all. I've grabbed one of them here. Another perfect cake pop. That cake's nice. That is a yummy cake pop. My mum actually grabbed one yesterday and tried it, and she really loved it too, so it's definitely a good one. This is the donut pop. Oh, so it's basically the cake pop but in a form of a donut, which again is actually quite cute. I need some water. Gosh guys, I have been pleased with everything. I'm so glad I've discovered these accounts, and I just want to give a shout out to Tanvi on Instagram because she actually shared a bunch of these accounts with me because she had ordered from them before. I just want to support all these accounts because honestly you can tell, just like I said, when you look at them it's just so perfect and pretty and tastes lovely. So honestly 10 out of 10 for all of this, because there's not one thing where I was just like, I don't like, you know. Everyone that I've met in person because of the deliveries were so sweet, like just sweet people, really kind people. So yeah, it's just been a really pleasant experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want a part 2 so I can try more accounts on Instagram, let me know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up so I'll know. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so. I'll leave the accounts to all these pages in the info box. I definitely recommend all of them, and if you're looking for treats for like an event or picnic or as a gift, these are just perfect, guys. So again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.